here with Alex. Alex, you're going to show me a bigger size of the 16 foot by 16 foot annex, which is 20 foot by 16. Is that right?
That's right, yeah. So it's just 4 foot longer. So what we've done with this is the building is very adaptable. Somebody asked me yesterday what the building can do, and my best description was it's a box of Lego, and we can turn that Lego into different shapes for you. We can't invent a new piece of Lego though, so right. There are restrictions. There is a bathroom, one bathroom. There's 2 kitchens that can come together to make 3, because there's big, medium and small kitchen, and then we can adapt the building to their needs. So you've seen the open plan one.
Yep.
And this one we've put some walls in.
Right, so it's not open plan yet, as you say.
No.
Walls in.
So if I don't know, this is the 16 foot, and you can see how we fit in most gardens. I'll keep that clean. And this is 20 foot.
So you'd need a bigger garden, obviously.
Yeah. So come in.
So I'll just pan around a bit. So you've got a sofa in here.
One thing you notice is how the noise drops.
It does get a lot quieter, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really windy out there today. And you can feel how quiet and relaxed it is in here. So what we've done here, instead of open plan, I've split it into 4. So I've put this wall.
Big telly.
So this is the lounge area here, but it wouldn't have to be your lounge area. You could do what you want. You can choose. What I've noticed is that the room is split into 4. All living is split into 4. That is eating, sleeping, relaxing, washing. So them 4 things. So what we've got here is the relaxing, watching the telly, the eating, the kitchen and the table, the sleeping, the bedroom, and the washing, the shower.
Yep.
So in this room, it's split into 4, and I've deliberately done that to demonstrate that. But I think it works well.
Just to demonstrate the Lego parts, as you just mentioned.
Yeah, so it works well. So what we've got here, which is in none of our annexes, is quite a big kitchen. I mean, this is as big a kitchen as you'll probably find in most people's houses.
Yeah.
So
you've got units there, and you've got units over here as well.
Yeah, and then you've got this space here, so you could put something here.
Your fridge freezer, or
you could put
your fridge freezer there.
Yeah, we have got the fridge freezer space for there. The dehumidifier has to go in. So this is a big kitchen. This, for me, you've got your sink. You could put appliances in. You could put an oven in. You could put a hob in. You could put whatever you wanted.
So like you say, with the Lego setup, you can decide, do I want a small kitchenette, or do I want a large, because I love cooking, I want a big kitchen.
What this room lends itself to is it's got spare capacity. So this we've turned into the kitchen, but you could turn this area into the kitchen. So I've got this area here. Obviously there's our bathroom.
Yep.
And as you can see, this area is empty. There's nothing here.
Yeah, so this could easily be the kitchen, is the kitchenette area.
This could be the kitchen, and that other room could be your office or your second bedroom for your grandchildren. This could be a second bedroom for the grandchildren. You could
put some bunk beds.
You could put some bunk beds here. So it's down to what I'd call that is a wish list. So you go for them 4 things that we've talked about, and then you have a wish list. I mean, I remember selling a studio, and the guy needed a washing machine because he was in a paddock and he was looking after his daughter's horses. So he might have turned this into a utility room. You've got the people who want to still do some work, or they've got a hobby. They could turn this bit into so they could have a hobby room. They could have a second. You could, if you chose to, put a bath here. If a bath was really important to you, you could have a bath here.
Right.
And then you would need to upgrade your boiler if you did that. But that's another
topic.
Topic.
Let me just show what we have actually got here. It's just our standard bathroom. So there's the boiler cupboard, which stores 10 minutes of shower water.
And then the other thing, because we have split this into, so as you stand here, you can see we've split this into 4. And that is your bedroom.
So yeah, let's have a quick look at the bedroom, because the bedroom looks lovely.
So it's just a single bed. We put in here, a double bed would fit within this space, if that was what was required. A double space.
Another big TV.
But what you might want, if you're in here, is a bit of privacy. You might want to hide that room. So we've designed this clever door. So it's a pocket door, as you can see. It slides into the wall and then it turns.
All right.
So
I notice you've got a gap in at the top and bottom, so it's more like a privacy screen.
And the reason for that is we've got the aircon.
Yeah, it's actually roasting in here at the moment.
Yeah, the heat exchange unit. So it keeps the place warm, and as you've said, it is hot. We've just come in from out the cold, hence I kept my hoodie on. And it's freezing outside, and it's really warm in here, isn't it? But this allows the air to
circulate.
You don't want to put two of them in. That, even though it is roasting in here, and it's very comfortable, isn't it? If you weren't doing it, you can get this to a very comfortable heat.
Oh, the whole space is consistent.
It is. That's what I like.
There's no drafts and there's no
you're over
cold
in that
spots.
corner, exactly the same temperature as over in that corner.
Yeah.
But that's because of this door, and that we've got the constant
you've got
air movement. Because you don't want. That's the thing with radiator. You put a radiator, and it's warm near the radiator.
Yeah.
And then as you move away, it's cold. So.
Okay. The principle of this 4 sections. This is 20 foot. No, 20. Yeah, it's 20 foot wide, isn't it, from there to here?
Yeah. Which
but
is 6 meters.
That could easily be 24 foot or 28 foot.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, one of a chap came in yesterday. And everybody has their own unique problem, and their unique problem was mum is in a hospital bed and dad's in a normal bed lying next to her. They hold hands, which, move you to tears. But they want to move in with their children, so we're building them a studio in February, and we're attending to that problem.
Yeah,
the bed. How do we put the bed in a position where we can move? So we're adjusting the walls within our system.
Yeah, within the Lego.
Within the Lego to make sure that works.
Yeah.
And one of the options is the bathroom to move into the middle of the room, which can happen. Dividing the bigger studio, again, into that quadrant. Always thinking of that quadrant, eating, sleeping, washing, and what's the other one? Relaxing. So I was thinking of them 4 things, and if you design your room knowing that you've got them 4 things covered, you might, if you were single, you might just, I only need a little telly, I only need a single chair, and I only need a small kitchen, but I want a big bedroom, which is what they need. They need a bigger bedroom because of this.
Yeah, they've got 2 beds.
But the thing with the beauty of the system, that it will, if the studio is moved in the future, adapt to another position.
To another configuration.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Because they are temporary buildings.
Yeah, that's great. No, that's lovely. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.